Hello students and welcome to another tutoring session. In today's video we're going to go over the Spanish numbers from 5,000 to 5,999. So that's transferred into los números del 5,000 al 5,999. So let's begin. As in previous videos, we've shown you prefixes to the thousands. So here we have the number 5,000. The prefix we will be using for the numbers between 5,000 and 5,999 is written as this: 5,000. And that'll be used for every number between 5,000 and 5,999. So let's begin. Here we have random numbers, of which I have already written the prefix 5,000. Repeat after I say the word referring to each separate number. That'll help you understand it better, as well as write down the number as I write it down. We're doing random numbers because we already know most of the way to write the words based on previous videos that I've done for the hundreds. So let's begin. The first one is obviously 5,000. 5,000. The second one is 5,001, which is 5,001. 5,001. The next one is 5,005, which is 5,005. 5. The next one is 5,018, which is 5,018. 18. The next one is 5,023, which is 5,023. 5,023. 5,058 is 5,058. 50. Let me erase that. 58. 5,058. 5,100 is 5,100. 5,106 is 5,106. 5,228 is 5,200. 28. 5,366 is 5,366. 5,486 is 5,486. 5,579 is 5,500. 79. 5,689 is 5,689. 5,742 is 5,742. 42. So let me just take a little break just to remind everybody what we're doing. The prefix is based on the 5,000, or the 5,000s, and the numbers in red are based on the last three numbers, which are in the hundreds, the tens, and the ones. 700 is 700, 40 is 40, and 2 is 2. These are numbers we already learned in previous videos, so refer to those if you're a little taken back and don't remember or don't understand what I'm doing. All right, let's continue. All right, so the next number is 5,833, which is 5,833. The next one is 5,971, which is 5,971. All right, the next one is 5,985, which is 5,985. The next one is 5,998, which is 5,998. And the final number is 5,999, which is 5,999. This is a U. 5,999. Alright, well, this marks the end of our video. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like this video as well as subscribe to our channel. If at any time you were lost, please replay this video over and over again and pronounce after me, as well as write down the word pertaining to each number. Thank you, and we'll see you in the 6,000s.